Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick review of this Klarpul Cordless Vacuum Cleaner that I received as a gift, but I want to do an honest review about it. So this is the box that it came in, got a nice little handle, and this is the box, and when you open it up, get more graphics, nice solid box by the way. And inside we have the items. We have the instruction manual, pretty thick, pretty detailed manual on how to use the cordless vacuum. A lot of good information in here. Now, am I going to use the instruction manual? Of course not. I'm a man. I'm just going to put this baby together without the manual. All right. So what do we have inside here? We have the brush. Oh, that took out the thing. We have the brush. Let's see, we have got the plug. Let's see, we have I guess for inside the crevices. We have okay, this is one piece. We'll figure out how to put this baby together. We'll figure it out. Put that over here. And see what else we have. Oh, I can take it out like that. Okay. So it comes nicely protected, as you can see. Do that over there. There. And this is the actual unit. This is the base unit. And notice how it's pretty slim. And actually that's a good idea to make it slim this way, because it can get inside of like small areas without you having to move the furniture. It's got a little swivel. Let's put this over here right now. So what else do we have? This is the battery unit. Put that over here. See what we have here. We got more accessories. Some of it I could just tell what it's for. Like this little unit here, this is so that, sometimes, when you vacuum, you may get some threads, some string that's caught inside of here, and this little thing is to fish out the string, and also maybe to clean in here as well. You can do some cleaning inside. So this is actually a good little tool to have. Put that over there. Oh, this is the filter. Ah, that's what this is. Okay. So this is a little filter unit, and it's washable. So you don't have to keep buying new filters. You just throw this baby in a wash. Just let it wash. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. I guess this goes like on top of here or something, or like this. I guess if I read the manual, I would know, right? Let's see what else we got. We got the unit. See, this vacuum also doubles as like a hand vac. I think I figured it out. There. See that? What did I tell you? You don't need the manual. That goes in like that. Let's put this in here. Look at that. Look at that. I didn't even need the manual. And let's see. The battery. I guess we're going here. That's how it goes. So the battery just slides down in there. And that's how you release it. See this thing on the side? Slide it back down in there. And that's the battery. So this is the battery here. And this is the power cord that it comes with. And this little hole, stick it in there. And I got a plug over here. And just let it charge up. See right now, see that red? That means it's charging. If you can see the red flashing light. Okay, so we have the battery is all charged up. See, it's got the green light. It took about an hour and a half to get that charged up, but it's fully charged now. All right, so now that we have the battery fully charged up, let's put it back onto the unit. You just slide it on this side down. Slide it right in there. And you have the battery on the back. And I just want to tell you about this little unit here, on how you can use this. This is actually the wall mount for the vacuum. It has, 2 screws, and you would definitely want to mount that into the studs of the wall. And the way this would work is, this is the back of the unit, the battery. It would slide right on there like that. It would hold the unit, against the wall. Have it against the wall like that. And then you have these 2 items. One will go in here, like that. This one will go at the bottom, like that. And then you have it inside the unit, like that. And the whole thing goes right against the wall. And whenever you need it, just pop it out and start your vacuuming. Now, something I do want to show you here is that you can make this like a hand vac by detaching it like that. Just detach it. You have the handheld unit. And then you can take one of these accessories, stick it on, take that one off. Oh, you just definitely slide it down. It slides down like that. Turn it on. And then you can, as you can hear, it's not very loud. Try the other one. Turn it on. And this one you can get the crevices, small spaces. You can even use it for your car vacuum. All right, so now it's time to do a little bit of cleaning in the kitchen. First, I want to show you that this it's kind of short, but you can make it longer. There's a little button down here. You can extend it. You can make it a little bit longer. Or if you're a shorter person, you can always make it shorter. It is adjustable. Keep it like that. So let's get a little debris on the ground and see what we can do. So let's say you get home and your kid just threw flour all over the rug like that. Look at that. That's actually baking soda, but just pretend it's flour. And you want to take care of that. Get the vacuum. Power it up. Look at that. Just one pass. Pretty powerful. Pretty powerful. On the hardwood floor. All right, so now this test is going to be a little bit more challenging. As you see, I got some debris on the floor. Pretend they're like the cookie crumbs that your kid dropped all over the kitchen floor. And now, you're going to get the vacuum. Turn it on. Just step on it. Step on it right there. See what it does. Not bad. All right, I think I did a pretty good job there. As you can see inside of the cup, it's got all the debris. That's everything it collected. We can just go to our trash bin and hit the little button here. Move everything out. Close that baby like that. So the next test is I want to show you how easy you can maneuver the vacuum without moving the furniture and still clean up what you need to clean up. So let's turn on the vacuum. You hit the little button here. And I'm on the hardwood floors. Notice how I can just go right under the table. And it's got a little light. Sometimes the light kind of highlights some of the dirt. And I don't have to like move anything. See that? And I never had to move anything. And I went from the hard floors right to the rug, right to the hard floors. So that is my review of the Klarpul Cordless Vacuum plus handheld vacuum. It's like a 2-in-1 vacuum in my opinion. And I really enjoyed using it. I thought it did a great job of cleaning up what needed to be cleaned up, from the hardwood floors to the carpet. And I did take it on the spin of my entire apartment. I have about 1,000 square feet, maybe a little less than that. I'm in New York City, so not quite as big, but as you can see, I have a lot of rugs. So I thought it performed nicely. I really enjoyed using it, and I think you'll enjoy it as well.